चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल बोलो जुबान केसरी।
And we continue to get you the latest on the Riyasi attack that happened on 6:10 at 6:10 on Sunday evening, when Jammu and Kashmir had witnessed one of the most cowardly terror attacks. Now, the latest probe details that reveal the CCTV footage that has been accessed by Republic. Also, two terrorists who were responsible for this attack, they were in the age group of 18 to 20 years is what we have learnt. In fact, sources also tell Republic that all of 100 plus rounds that were fired on the pilgrims, in fact, the plan was to kill the driver so the bus would derail and it would fall into the gorge, what eventually happened. We are also learning from our sources that as many as 25 to 30 rounds that were fired right at the start, after which there was a slight gap, and all in all, over 100 rounds were fired at the Hindu pilgrims. Let me cut across to Arawat and Gursimran, who join us on the broadcast as they're tracking all the details of what the latest on the investigation is. Gursimran, if I could come to you first to tell us what the CCTV footage reveals and how it is connected to this attack, because a car that is visible in those pictures, and it could have gone and reported the attack that happened, but it did not. What is the suspicion over this car and what is the link being drawn?
Yes, that is what the suspicion is, that probably this car could have been used by the terrorists to escape from the area. That is why this car is being traced by the agencies, and also the history of this car, that from one person it was sold to the other person and the car both are still out of reach for the forces. Right now we are in the Bharak area, where you will see that the Special Operations Group of the Jammu and Kashmir Police have launched a massive search operations, and every vehicle that is coming to and for the attack site, they are thoroughly being checked, because the forces know that there lies a possibility that some of the vehicles, the civilian vehicles, can be used as a place for the terrorists to move from one place to another, and that's why everything is being thoroughly checked, from the small vehicles to the large goods vehicle. Everything is thoroughly being scanned. The CRPF is also part of these operations. The searches that are being conducted by the Jammu and Kashmir Police along with the Special Operations Group and the CRPF, the commandos of the CRPF have also been deployed, and every vehicle is thoroughly being checked, because it becomes really very important at a time when we have seen a terror attack and the terrorists are still at large. The terrorists are yet to be traced by the agencies, and that's why the vehicles are being checked. Those especially coming with the pilgrims are being checked, because there lies a high possibility that the terrorists might try to escape using some of the vehicles that are coming to or towards the side of the attack, and that's why the intensified operations are underway. The Deputy Inspector General, the ADG Jammu Zone, and also the other senior officials, all are on the ground trying to ensure that the perpetrators of these attacks are neutralized at an earliest, because we have seen that how brutally these pilgrims of Bhole Baba, they were killed when they were returning from after paying the pilgrimage at holy shrine of the Baba Bole, and then they were attacked brutally. 9 of them were killed while 43 others were brutally injured, and since then we have been seeing intensified terror operations that have been launched in the area to neutralize these perpetrators. Suesha.
Gursimran, do stay on with us as I also cut across to Arawat. But before that, Arawat, quick responses coming in from the family of the deceased. Let's listen in.
हमें कल रात को लगभग 9:30 बजे करीब सूचना मिली थी। जो रेस्क्यू टीम है उनके द्वारा जो कॉल आया था हमें, पवन ने खुद ने नंबर दिए थे और उसने बताया कि ऐसा हादसा हो गया है और मुझे तो हॉस्पिटल ले जाया जा रहा है, और जो वाइफ है और बच्चा है उसका मुझे पता नहीं है, मतलब वो बुरी तरह से घायल हो गए थे। लेटेस्ट अपडेट यही है कि पवन जो है उसके तो